lovely family, welcome to Eagle Eye Angle. We are here to introduce to you guys a new episode of cooking. In today's video, we are going to prepare millet akple with ayoyo and okra soup. So please guys, don't go nowhere, just take your seat and sit at the corner, wait for us. At the end, I bet you will love it. Hello, welcome back. Not to waste our time, let's introduce our ingredients, then we start cooking. I have my millet powder here, which I'm going to use to prepare my akple. So it's the main ingredient today for my food. So I also have my ayoyo here, which I'll be using for the soup with the okra. Then the meat that I will use today is beef meat, which I'll be using. Today I do not add any meat to it. It's only beef and then smoked fish with wele. You can never prepare ayoyo without wele because wele is with ayoyo. So we have wele here. We also have our green pepper, which we'll be adding to our soup. Then we have our onions, which we'll be using. Then I have my garlic and ginger as my ingredients that I'll be using for my cooking. Then I also have my gari. First, I'm going to prepare akple today. So I'm going to mix the gari with the millet to prepare my akple. So I have my gari here, which I'll be adding to the millet to make the akple simple. So I have my salt, which will be giving me taste. So in all, our ingredients is very simple. By the end, the food is going to be So please guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, share the videos for us, and please press the notification bell. Whenever we post a video, you are going to be the first person to get the notification. We love you guys. Join me to start the cooking. We love you. So we are grinding our onion, ginger, garlic to steam our meat. So if you have a blender, you can blend it. But today we don't have access to blender. So we are going a normal way of grinding this like this to use it for our soup. So we have added our salt, our chopped onions to the meat. Later I'll be adding my grounded ginger and onion to it to steam it. So we'll leave it on. Our grounded onion and then garlic, we've added it. So now we have to leave it on. We'll be back very soon to continue with the rest. At this moment we are cutting our okra. that we are going to use it to prepare our soup. So we are cutting it like this. You remove the head and the tail, then you cut it. So you cut it to the sizes that you want. So these are the sizes I like. So I'm cutting it to my like. You can decide to cut it small or big. Now we are going to add our grounded pepper to our soup. I told you guys that if you have a blender, you can use it. Today we don't have access to blender, so we are grounding it. So we are done with the cutting of the okra. We will be adding it to the meat later. So at this moment we are going to add our okra and ayoyo to the meat. So today this is the way we are doing our okra soup today. You can cook the leaves aside the meat, but if you like, you can also add it to it direct like this, like how I'm doing it today. So today this is the method I'm using today to prepare my okra soup. I think my water is small. I'll be adding some to it. To the soup. So now put our water on fire to prepare the akple. So you leave it on where it boils, then you use it. So we are adding our garri to them. If you are going to cook akple, you first of all add your garri to the boiling water before later you add your maize powder or millet powder to it. So don't cover it all, you cover it half. Hey, aroma hello. Kill us. From the initial stage, I did not add the red oil. By the end, I felt like adding red oil to it. So I'm adding my red oil. You can decide to add red oil or not. If you like it, you can add it. If you don't, it can also go like that without red oil. So now our water is ready, so we have to add our powder to this. Then we mold it. Kituano. Kojo diano.
Abian. Abian.
Sini ayi di abian. Adebesa. Hello guys, our food is ready, our soup is ready, our akple is ready, millet akple is ready. So we thank you very much for cooking with us. Subscribe, like, share the videos for us. So we are about to dish it out. so that our consumers association will join me. They will consume everything for you guys. We know you guys can never join us, but we know that you guys can subscribe, share the video, like the video, press the notification bell for us. So we're about to wow, not easy at all. The aroma alone will kill you. So the soup is ready. Let's serve our soup. Let's serve. This kind of soup, you can decide to use only one fish to prepare it. If you have Kobi or Momanika, you can do it at home. But if you have access to plenty meat, you can also use it. As my soup is. So please. Ooh, I can't wait to eat though. I can't wait to eat. The scent, the aroma alone is killing the area people. Ooh. So, we have to consume our food. Koyi. Wow.
It's okay, yeah.
Oh. As you can see, that we've consumed everything. I can't even talk again. I'm certified. So please, it's very delicious. It's very nice, tasty. So please subscribe, like, share the videos for us. Subscribe, like, share the video for us. Love you guys. So we are still consuming our food. They are on the process. Let's thank you for doing the good job for us. Continue to subscribe. Without you guys, we can never be Go and Go. So please continue to subscribe, share, like the video, leave your comments in the comment section. Wow, the food is very delicious. Try this in your house and see how it tastes. You will love it. Eagle Eye Angle, subscribe. Eagle Eye Angle, subscribe.